Welcome to video number 7. This is an advanced strategy and this is incentivized bonuses. In other words, if you want to know how the super affiliates make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, it really comes down to what we call incentivized bonuses. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the downside is one really good product is going to have tons of affiliates, sometimes thousands of affiliates. So the question is, how do you stand out? And how do you compete against hundreds or even thousands of affiliates promoting that same product? And a lot of them might have incentivized bonuses, but if you have the best incentivized bonus, you will win. Now, the key is to realize that if the market is big enough, who cares how many affiliates there are? In fact, we have moved into markets as a very small marketer compared to a lot of big marketers, and realized that, wow, like we actually got on the top 10 compared to these people who have big lists of millions of people. But at the end of the day, when we analyzed out of the 10 people or the people on the top 10, we would analyze them and find that a lot of them would slap together just random bonuses. So that's why I'm saying here, it doesn't matter how big you are. At the end of the day, as long as you have a really good bonus, that's key. So that's how you compete with hundreds or even thousands of affiliates. So the best way of approaching this is by offering an incentivized bonus, which means you're telling prospects, hey, if you buy through my affiliate link, you will get this bonus that fits the weakness of this product for free, right? So who's not going to want to buy a product and get a bonus for free that is going to fill the gap, right? So you want to make sure that you're transparent about this. Let them know, review the product, and then let them know the weakness and why your bonus fills the gap so that they can make the best informed decision. And I can't tell you how much this will help you. This is going to help you a lot. In fact, I'm going to show you how to go about doing this in just a few minutes. So in other words, they could either buy the product directly and that's it, and they don't get the bonus, or they could buy through your affiliate link, get the product, but also get whatever additional bonuses that you are attaching to that product. I mean, if you think about the prospect, the buyer, which one are they going to choose? Obviously, the latter, right? They're going to want to choose the product and get the free bonus along with it. They're not going to want to just buy the product itself, right? I can't tell you how many times a lot of people have bought the product and came back and said, I wish I knew about your bonus, right? Plus, realize this, like I said earlier, as super affiliates, we've come to the realization that most people really don't review the product rigorously. They might look at it, glance at it, but they don't review it rigorously. And thus they come out with bonuses that really don't convert or really have nothing to do with the actual product itself. But because now you know the secret sauce, now you know that a very small percentage of people actually do this, this is something that you can actually do. So you need to buy the product, you need to test the product out, you need to find the weaknesses and be transparent about them. Now, people who buy from you will ultimately love you. You might only get a few in the beginning, but they're going to love you. They're going to come back. They're going to buy similar products through your affiliate link. And that's the goal is, yeah, you might maybe only make 10 or 20 now, but those 10 or 20 may really like your bonus to the point that they're going to come back, right? Your goal is not just to make a one-off sale and that's it. Your long-term strategy is to build a list, build a relationship with that list, sell products that are really good, that are attached with really good bonuses so that time and time again, they're going to come back, right? So let me give you an example here. Let's say, for example, that a product is a piece of software. And this is something that we personally have done. So we have a piece of software, we look at the software, we review the software, we find that the software is actually very hard to use. So we look and we find that the software has zero training. So guess what? The weakness in this case is that the software lacks training. So what you could do in this case is create a training course that helps people who bought the software better understand how to use it and how to use it more effectively. Now, the key here is to realize that in this case, obviously, you would have to spend sometimes days or even weeks learning the software in and out. But at the end of the day, you will have something no other affiliate really wants to do, which is spend a week reviewing the software and figuring it out yourself. So I found that market tends to be untapped, typically because nobody wants to spend that amount of time. And software can be very tedious to learn as well. So can you imagine who will make more sales? Exactly my point. Does that make sense as to why this is so powerful? So this is one little tip that has made us a lot of money. So make sure that you use this to your advantage.